What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Michael? Quick demo video for you for both of your sabers. You've got your one replica's super stunt Luke here that actually got this done a few days ago, but I was waiting on a speaker to come in for the super stunt Vader. So I wrapped that up today when the speaker came in. Right. We'll go over this guy first. They're both very similar, but they take different size speakers. They're both installed with Proffies V2s. You've got ccSabers in here for your lit PCB on both of these. 2-button setups, so your front switch is your activation, your back is your auxiliary. The main difference really being the speaker size. So this Vader takes a 22 millimeter speaker, but I was able to fully enclose it, right? So when you take your pommel off, you'll see your speaker right here, and this speaker comes right out. It's in its own speaker pod, but it is fully enclosed, and it's shoved all the way in there as far back as it will go. So it actually sounds really good. But when you take that out, look in here, you'll see you've got like a 1.2 millimeter recharge port. You've got a kill switch over on this side. You got your pogo pins for your speakers, and that, or your speaker rather, and then you've got access to both. If I can get it in the light, right? You've got access to both your micro USB and your SD card, so you can easily get to those without moving the board, right? Everything can be done from right there, kind of like that. I got left the stock font package on both of these guys that I get from the manufacturer that makes these boards. There's quite a few fonts on here to play with, but if you don't want to use that, obviously you can flash your own stuff on there, right? But when you take this out, take the speaker out, you can just reach in here and flip the kill switch down. We'll put the speaker in, and then we'll screw this pommel on. This pommel will tighten up the speaker pod up against those pins, so everything works like it should. We got good smooth swing, auxiliary down here.
Mind's eye.
We'll throw a blade in here. You've got your blade retention screw is going to be the top guy. So you've got, if I turn this light on, you've got 2 different grub screws right here. So don't mess with the bottom one. It's the top one closest to the emitter. That's going to be your blade retention. And both of these take 1-inch diameter neopixel blades. We'll just lock that down. We'll go to another sound font. Your flash on flash, right? Flash or blaster bolts. That nice blade locked up right here. We'll play your music track. It's just a long press on the power button. Same thing until off, and then just hit aux to go to the next
Remember,
soundtrack,
a Jedi can
or
feel
next
the Force
font rather.
flowing through him. Tell me, is this training?
My training? No. Always training. The universe is.
I won't make it easy! Whatever happens, you're not alone.
You do have swing on it if you wanted to go that route, and then twist off.
No joy in this victory. We shall find.
Too many killed on both sides.
So we'll take the blade out, turn this guy off, and then we'll go over your Luke. Just take our speaker back out, come over here, flip the kill switch back, and then we can reassemble this guy. and put it off to the side. Now on your Luke, the pummel's a lot different. It's a lot bigger, so it was able to accept a 28mm speaker, right? So we want to take the pommel off of this guy too. You got ccSabers in here as well. I was able to take that cup out of there, so you don't have to have a recessed blade. There's plenty of blade depth here. But we take this pommel out. Now this time I made sure, or I designed the speaker pod to stay in the pommel, right? So it's not going to come out of there. It's a nice press fit down into there. But same concept. You've got that speaker PCB lines up with your pogo pins right there, and then you've got, you know, your recharge port, your kill switch, or I'm sorry, your kill switch, and then easy access to your micro USB and your SD card, right? So we'll flip this guy too. Screw this back on. Lock that speaker down, and then hit activation. Auxiliary. Now this one has just the regular stock Proffies font package on it. All right, we'll throw a blade in this guy too. Like I said, you got plenty of blade depth, probably close to an inch, a little over an inch actually. Cycle through the colors. Try to find a blue. And we got a blue blade. Yep. Nice blade lock up.
Smooth Jedi.
A little bit of your soundtrack.
Smooth gray.
Just like that. Now my blade is just a tad loose in this guy because I've sanded it quite a bit. But if you have a brand new 1-inch diameter blade, you shouldn't have any issue. We'll take that out, and then we turn this off the same way we did the other one. Just take the speaker out. Come over here and flip your kill switch up. It's easier when you're looking at it. Just like that, and turns everything off. So that is pretty much your two sabers. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, these guys will go out and mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.